Yes, you're going to start cycling. Maybe you have just purchased an expensive racing bike and are still unsure about what clothes to wear during your first bike ride. In this video, we explain the basics about cycling clothing. And sporty viewer, with one click you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't hesitate, just do it. We would like to reach everyone who is interested in cycling and want to encourage sport and exercise for a healthy body and mind. So help us and subscribe now. All right, let's go. A bicycle helmet is the most important part of your cycling outfit. Without a good bicycle helmet, you will not be safe on your bike. You ride faster on a racing bike than on a normal bicycle, which means that the fall in the event of an accident is also harder. The most important thing is the fit. A helmet only offers protection when it fits properly on your head. A helmet that is too large is too loose, which compromises safety, and a helmet that is too small will pinch, resulting in lower comfort. You can determine the suitable helmet size by measuring the circumference of your head just above your eyebrows. With this circumference, you can look for the right size helmet. Good cycling shorts. Without good cycling shorts, you will not sit comfortably on the relatively hard saddle of your racing bike. The chamois incorporated into the cycling shorts ensures that you are still comfortable, while the fabric provides extra support for the thigh muscles. Pay close attention. There is a difference between men's and women's chamois. As mentioned, women's pelvis are anatomically wider than men's, which means that women's sit bones are further apart. A women's chamois is therefore wider at the back compared to a men's chamois. You've probably seen them before. Cycling shorts with suspenders, also called bib shorts. The main reason for this is that the pants are less likely to sag and prevent the chamois from shifting or irritating. Furthermore, the suspenders ensure that your back is well covered, even in a cycling position. The biggest advantage of pants without suspenders is the fact that you can easily put them on and take them off. This is ideal for a quick sanitary stop, for example. When do you wear long cycling shorts? And when do you wear short cycling shorts? Logically, short cycling shorts are ideal for the summer, and long cycling shorts are very suitable for the winter. Ideally, you should have both long and short cycling pants in your closet. Normally, you wear long cycling pants at temperatures below 15 degrees. The cycling shirt. A cycling shirt fits tightly around your body and is made of technical fabric. As a result, the shirt does not flap and sweat is removed extra easily, so that you do not get cold. Cycling shirts have pockets at the back and a full or half zipper at the front. Are you just starting to cycle, or do you occasionally cycle for a weekend ride in reasonably nice weather? Or are you just a fair-weather cyclist in general? Then a basic cycling shirt will probably be enough. These shirts are often not very tight and breathe well. If you wear an undershirt under a basic cycling jersey, you can go out with it under the most diverse circumstances. And for days with bad weather, you can still ride your bike comfortably with a good rain jacket. The advantage of a basic cycling shirt is that they are very affordable. For summer days, there are wafer-thin cycling shirts that keep you as cool as possible. Also ideal if you have a tough mountain ride planned on a beautiful day. They are light, breathe well. Does it rain all day? Then you are probably better off with a water-repellent cycling shirt. A water-repellent cycling shirt can withstand a few showers. You'll be fine in slightly changeable weather. It is a fact that winter is coming again, but what do you wear? Go for layers. Choose a lined, windproof/water-repellent, or unlined bib tight. On top of that, a thermal undershirt and a good wind and waterproof jacket. Is it between 8 and 15 degrees? Then you can only wear a cycling shirt with long sleeves. At the start of our search for the right cycling clothing, we wondered whether it was really necessary to also wear cycling gloves. When we went for a weekend ride on our racing bike, we saw fellow cyclists passing by, one wearing gloves and the other not. Is it a real must, or can you leave them out? Well now, speaking from my own experience, wearing cycling gloves is definitely a must. They contribute to protection during a fall. Most cycling gloves also have a piece of terry cloth on the thumb. The terry cloth is intended to wipe away sweat from the forehead so that no sweat can get into the eyes. Cycling with cycling gloves ensures that you do not get blisters on your hands. Cycling gloves have special paddings. On a racing bike you ride with click pedals. You will need special cycling shoes for this. Because you are strapped in, cycling shoes give you much more control over the bicycle and ensure extra efficient power transmission. And finally, do not wear underpants, but do wear an undershirt. This is a tip for real beginners. Never wear underpants under cycling shorts. The cycling shorts have a special chamois that you must wear against the skin. Underpants not only negate the effect of the chamois, but also cause chafing. So don't do that. What you should do is wear an undershirt, unless it is very warm. And even then you can opt for an extra thin shirt. A good moisture-wicking shirt increases your cycling comfort and ensures that you stay warm in the winter and can lose your heat in the summer. We have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're new here. Have fun cycling!